Welcome back to our JavaScript platformer game. Okay, today we are doing sprite animations. I would have done this several videos ago, but somehow I forgot all about it. You've probably been screaming at the video, when is he going to let me do my animated sprites that I spent ages making? So let's get going. Where's my code? Here we go. So reminder, inside our code folder, we have all of our assets here. And you have, what am I doing? I'm doing P3. So you've got, no, that's P2. P3, ducking. Interesting. Front is what we've been doing so far. There's a little jump. And there's a walking GIF. So let's do jumping. We could do duck when we're falling. Anyway. And the jump look, and we definitely need the walking one. So let's do the walking one first of all. Okay, so we need to preload them all in. So P walk. Now that walk was right, wasn't it? Yeah. So really, you need two different GIFs, one for left, one for right. Okay, and we want P jump. Okay, so those are my images. And now I'm just going to need a boolean to keep track, well, not a boolean, sorry, a variable to keep track of which of these images I'm wanting to use at any moment in time. So sprite sprite mode, sprite animation, what name? Sprite, let's just call it show. Well, actually, if it comes up as yellow, then it means it's a word it's recognizing for something else, I think. It should be okay. Show still. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm going to default start off by doing still, but we've got walk left, walk right, and jump. Let's do the fall one as well. Okay. So we load all these images in, but we're starting off with still, and then all we need to do is down here in our play function, where we are drawing the sprite. Oh no, it happens in draw sprite. And that's because, well, hang on, here I'm saying P still. I'm going to move that out of there. Draw sprite doesn't actually even need any of these commands because they're all global, so it can access them all independently. So let's just tidy that up a little. Draw sprite. Right. And then what I need to do is create this image thing. So if show is equal to still, then let image equal to P still. Else, if show is equal to left, All right, what I might do is I'll just make still the default, so that if it's not left, if it's not right, if it's not jump, and if it's not falling, then the failsafe is that it's the still character. Okay. So now we just need to set this show when we want this to change. All right, and that happens when we move left. Say that we're moving left. When we move right, say that we're moving right. When we are jumping, say that we're jumping. And then in our play, so let's put in here, tell it, yeah, let's make sure that we reset it to a default of still, and then allow move left, move right, and jump to change it if necessary. Are we jumping? So yes, if we're jumping, yeah, so let's make sure that we're still showing jump if we're still going up, and if we are falling, then show should be fall, and it should be as straightforward as that. Except I've got a crash. Failed to execute draw image on the yeah, I was wondering if that was going to work. So we set the default, and then if we have one of these other ones, we can change what image is. Yeah, and that worked. Okay, there we go. And I've got my animations. Now my left animation is the same as my right animations. That's why it looks like he's moonwalking. The jump and the duck work well. So yeah, obviously you need a left and a right animation. But yeah, so nothing in code needs to change for that. You just need to create your own separate GIFs. Okay, and that is your animation complete. And game over. Okay. 2 last videos, sound effects, and then publishing. All right, Mr. Ballgarden signing off.